Alright folks, we're back. Like I said, a little basic gun safety 101. As you can tell, currently I am armed. I am carrying a Beretta MyPX4 STORM subcompact 40 caliber handgun. Beretta, very nice gun, Italian made, very sleek, nice lines, very ergonomical for the modern day shooter. Now anytime you take a gun in and out of your holster, make sure you are secured in and secure out. Never face your weapon at anybody, even if it's loaded or not. So the first thing you want to do is drop your magazine, and then check your spout. Boom. So now we have an unloaded firearm. We have a clip, bullets off the side. Currently I have nothing in my firearm. It is dry, it is not loaded, and it cannot harm anybody. So slide open, close. Always make sure your slide's closed when you have no ammo in it, to make sure you don't dent it up, ding it up, nothing. You don't want to stick this back in your holster, obviously if it's open, it's not going to work. So we'll take it, we'll close it. It's clear. Couple more checks, nothing in it, no clip, correct? Now let's go back to my clip here. I'm going to set my firearm in my holster, unloaded. I will take my round that I took out, put it back in my magazine. I will also unholster one more time, put my clip back into my firearm, pop it in, chamber it around. Now folks, a lot of people are scared of weapons. They're scared, oh my God, there's a bullet in there, whether they know it or not. Now most weapons like this one are designed with a safety. My safety is right here on the side. I don't know if you can see it there. It's called a wing flap. It's ambidextrous, left hand or right hand shooters. When it's up, it's ready to fire. So we could say right now, I have a bullet in my chamber. If I pull this back and pull that trigger, that gun will go off. Now, I flip this down, it's safety. Nothing can happen. I pull the trigger all day long. But, like I said folks, if I crack this, you'll be able to see there is a round in the barrel, but the safety's on. A lot of things people don't understand is the safety will save your life. So that's lesson one. Alright folks, we're back. I know we gave a brief tutorial a moment ago. This is a little bit of a close-up so you can see what we're doing here and how to handle your firearm appropriately and in an accurate way so where you don't harm yourself or any others. Now like I said, anytime you have a firearm, never point at anyone whether it's loaded or not. First step you will take is you will take your pistol, hold it out, you will drop your magazine. Boom. Magazine inside. Now, whether you drop your magazine, a lot of people don't realize there could still be one in the chamber, or what some people would refer to as a spout. So yes, mine is loaded. You can see I do have a bullet in the spout. So now I like to get a little fancy with it. Sometimes I take mine, I'll pop it out, and I'll catch the bullet. Now, which is not an appropriate way for some users. Now, the better way would be is if you have a bullet in your gun, chamber one, you would take your clip out. You would either go to a surface that is hard, so where you can lay the gun down and eject the bullet yourself. If you're less of a novice handgun user and you know your way around a firearm to an extent, you would drop your clip, you would take your gun, take it sideways, unload, turn, and put the bullet in your hand, which is one way some people would like to prefer to do it. I like to catch mine in the air, because I know my gun, I know the pop, I know where the bullet will come out, and also it does kind of look cool. So let's go back. Basic firearm safety 101. Anytime you're handling a firearm and you'd like to get a brief overview before you load or take apart your gun, first thing you want to do is hold it in your dominant hand. Now, this gun has side bars on the right here on the nose. These are kind of for looks, folks, but if you have rougher fingers, you can actually put your finger on the spout of the gun, push back, and then load your side. Now, this right here is called a slide. The slide will keep your chamber open on most any handgun. Not all handguns open like this one, but this one does, and I like it that way. So, like I said, your slide keeps your gun open. When you're ready to close that gun, you take your slide. There's no ammunition in it right now, it's empty. Take your slide, you will push the button down, and it will close your gun. So now we know nothing's in it, we just been through this, right? Empty gun, slide open. Now, some way a lot of people prefer to load their firearms, I prefer to do it this way, is when your slide is open and you put a clip into the gun, I don't know if you can see or not. Got a good view on that? See how there's a bullet in there? When you take the gun, take the clip out, the bullet's removed, correct? So let's do that again. Slide our clip into our handgun. Now, there is a bullet in here. Now when I close this slide, folks, that bullet will now be ejected into the chamber. But let's remember, before we do that, where's our safety at? Safety on the back, that's fire. But we're going to load one, so let's make sure it's on safe, right everybody? Safety first. So now when I automatically close my chamber, I'll do it from this way so you can see it. When I automatically close my chamber, that bullet gets loaded into the clip. So now we can take this out. I'll show you again. There is a bullet in the chamber, everyone. You can see it. Now, in order to get that out, you would take your gun, pop it open, take the bullet out. So one more time, before you mess with any gun, there's no bullets in here. You open it, open it, lock it with your slide, make sure your safety is off, and it's completely dry. Sometimes I can do this as well. A little peace of mind. Do a couple dry racks. A dry rack is when your gun has no ammunition in it, but you are racking the slide back and forth. Now folks, if there was a bullet in here, it would fly out or you would see it. So that is a dry rack. Do this a couple times around yourself or around anybody else so they know that your gun is empty and is not live.